picking. Chapin Orchard on Chapin Road. That's where we're gonna go. Alright, we're going apple picking. Cool. Apples, ciders, and donuts. Who's excited to go apple picking? Who's excited to go apple picking? That. This is the first apple I've ever picked myself. Looks pretty good. Ooh, it's a big one. Whew. Not so good though. It's got a dent in it. Here. Get it, Charlie. Here. I don't like that one. This one looks good. Oops. I'm dropping them. Oh. I don't know what's good. I don't know how to pick apples. It doesn't look great. It's not terrible. Alright. Do we climb the apple tree? Do we climb the apple tree? I think so. Some lovely ones up here. Oh, a little bit small. I think they're a little bit small. We want the bigger ones. Big. Grande. Oh, this one's nice. Look at this. Nice. I'm picking apples! Alright. I think we want to go to another tree. I think we've raped that one already. I think we've exhausted that one already. You know the saying, oh, get the low-hanging fruit? That's what this is. This is the low-hanging fruit. Easy. Not necessarily the best, but not bad. This is a good low-hanging fruit. All right, let's go over here. Let's see what we have over here. I like a redder.
It's like poop.
I like more redder. Oh, look at these. Look at these. I'm so excited. Every tree's got something fabulous on it. Look at this bushel. Look at this display of wild apples. Kind of digging these ones. Oh yeah. That's a good apple right there. All right, let's go try another tree. I don't want to strip one tree. I want to spread the wealth. Pink. I don't know what pink is. But we're supposed to go around the perimeter here. Charlie, come on. Keep up. What's this? What's this? Right here. Right here. Here. What's that? Charlie's picking apples for the first time. What's this? What's that? What is that? What is that? Get that apple? Get the apple. Get it. Get it. Good boy. Get that apple. Oh, good apple, huh? It's like strawberries. You pick one, eat one, pick one, eat one. So nice. What's this one? Right here. Here, Charlie. Right here. Right here. Look. This up here. Right there. Right there. Get it. All right, we're gonna go try a Cortland apple because I've never had one. Where do I start? Charlie, find me a good apple. Find me a good apple. Let's go over here. These are Cortland trees. Here, right here. Right there. Right here. Let's see. A good apple, Charlie Dogg?